In this short movie, you will learn how to program the IR commands for the TechPod interactive projector control. We'll start by sticking the supplied IR blaster on the IR window of the projector. Make sure it's connected to the 3.5mm connector and ending up in the IR output of your TechPod lectern. You can see in this photo how the IR blaster should be positioned. We will start by storing the power on and power off projector IR commands into the TechPod control unit, which is the TCU. You would need the projector's original IR remote control and make sure the batteries are fresh and new. Start by opening the TechPod side door. Make sure the unit is powered. Now open the TechPod back door and access the TCU. You would find it on your top right side. The TCU is covered with a protective cover which does not interfere with the IR learning process. Notice that on the TCU board there are 4 push buttons and an IR status red LED. The 3 push buttons we will refer to are the Pro Off, representing projector off button, Pro On, representing projector on, and a Learn button. At the center of the board you will see the status red LED, and just beneath that you will find the IR learning LED. We'll start by storing the projector off command. Notice that depending on your projector model and make, this command varies. Most projector off commands are 2 buttons combinations. For example, double click on projector off button or projector off plus an enter button. For the demo example, we will use a double power off command. Start by pressing and holding the Learn button. Now press the Pro Off push button and release both of buttons. You would notice that the status LED is lit in a constant red. Now locate the projector remote control on the right side of the board, 3 to 5 inches from the board at a 30-degree angle. Press the projector off button on the remote control for a second, not more. You will see that the red status LED blinks once. Now press the projector off button again for the second command. Again, the LED should blink once. To end the learning process, press and release the Learn button on the board. Using the same method, we will program the projector on IR command. Press and hold the Learn button. While pressing, press momentarily the Pro On push button and release both buttons. Now, position the remote control and shoot the projector on button. Again, not longer than a second. You will see that the red status LED blinks once. To end the learning process, press and release the Learn button on the board. Now we will demonstrate an error mode. If at any stage of the learning process the LED blinks more than once, it means that the controller has not stored the IR command. You will need to end the process by clicking Learn and start all over again. Remember, the LED should blink once for each command. Now for testing. With the TechPod side door open, press Projector on the control panel. The projector should start working and the image should appear on the screen. Some projectors start slower than others, so please wait for 60 seconds. Once the projector has completely powered on, wait for another 60 seconds and press Projector off on the control panel. The projector should turn off. Please wait till a complete projector power off before moving ahead. Press again the Power On button on the control panel and wait for a complete power on, and then again wait for 60 seconds. Once the projector is powered on, Close the TechPod side door. The projector should be turned off. Please note that some projectors have an automatic input search mode. Please make sure that this option is cancelled in the projector's menu. Otherwise, it might ignore the projector off IR command. Thanks for taking the time to see this movie. If you have any questions, please send us an email at support@techpod.com.